Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
We are happy you are here today.
My name is Emma, and I love English.
And I am Alex, your speaking partner.
Today, we have a very fun topic.
Yes, we will talk about weekends.
But wait, do not leave yet.
This topic is more powerful than you think.
Your weekend shows your real lifestyle habits.
And your habits build your future slowly.
So let us ask you something.
What did you do last weekend?
Did you relax or waste time?
Did you learn something new or not?
Today, we will help you explain.
You will learn useful weekend vocabulary.
And simple past tense sentences.
So listen carefully and repeat aloud.
Alex, what did you do Saturday?
On Saturday, I woke up early.
That sounds very productive already.
Yes, I cleaned my room first.
Cleaning feels fresh and satisfying.
After that, I made breakfast.
What did you eat exactly?
I ate eggs, bread, and tea.
That sounds simple and healthy.
Yes, then I watched English videos.
How long did you study?
I studied for 2 hours.
That is a very good habit.
Thank you, I try my best.
What did you do after noon?
I visited my close friend.
Oh, nice. What did you do together?
We talked about work and life.
Did you enjoy that conversation?
Yes, it was very interesting.
Social time is very important.
Yes, friends give us motivation.
What about Sunday? Tell us.
On Sunday, I rested at home.
Did you stay home all day?
No, I walked in the park.
Walking helps clear your mind.
Yes, I felt calm and peaceful.
Now I will share mine.
Yes, please tell us, Emma.
On Saturday, I stayed home.
Did you relax or work?
I relaxed and watched movies.
What kind of movies?
I watched romantic comedy movies.
That sounds very fun.
On Sunday, I visited family.
Family time is very important.
Yes, we ate lunch together.
What did you eat?
We ate traditional homemade food.
That must be delicious.
Yes, it was very tasty.
Did you help your family?
Yes, I helped my mother cook.
That is very kind of you.
Now let us teach listeners.
Yes, let us explain simple structure.
Use past tense for weekend.
Say, I watched, I visited.
Say, I went, I played.
Do not say, I go yesterday.
Instead, say, I went yesterday.
Practice makes your speaking better.
Let us practice small dialogue.
I will ask you question.
Okay, I'm ready.
What did you do Friday night?
I stayed home and read.
Did you enjoy your evening?
Yes, it was relaxing. Now I ask you.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Did you meet your friends?
Yes, I met them Saturday.
Where did you meet?
We met at a small cafe.
What did you drink?
I drank coffee and water.
Very good. Simple answers.
Simple English is powerful.
Do not try difficult grammar.
Clear speaking is more important.
Many students feel nervous.
Yes, they think too much.
Just speak simple sentences.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Weekend topics are easy.
Everyone has a weekend story.
You can talk about food.
You can talk about friends.
You can talk about rest.
Or talk about studying.
Try to speak every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Tell yourself weekend story.
Practice in front mirror.
Your confidence will grow slowly.
Yes, step-by-step improvement.
Remember, do not compare yourself.
Your journey is different.
So tell us in comments.
What did you do weekend?
Did you relax or study?
We want to read answers.
Your story can inspire other learners.
Maybe you tried something completely new.
Or maybe you had simple, quiet days.
Simple weekends are also meaningful.
Yes, rest is important for balance.
And stress can stop learning progress.
Let us talk about bad weekends.
Yes, not every weekend is perfect.
Sometimes we waste too much time.
We scroll phones for many hours.
Then we feel guilty on Sunday.
Yes, that feeling is very common.
but don't feel too bad.
Every week gives new chance.
If weekend was not productive,
Monday can be a fresh beginning.
small changes make big results.
For example, wake up earlier.
Or plan 2 simple activities.
Planning helps control your time.
Without plan, time disappears fast.
And Sunday night feels stressful.
Let us teach useful phrases.
Yes, phrases you can use today.
You can say, I stayed home.
You can say, I went shopping.
You can say, I met friends.
Or, I spent time with family.
Another phrase is, I relaxed.
Or, I worked on personal projects.
Now let us practice together.
Repeat after us slowly, please.
I visited my grandparents Sunday.
I cleaned my house Saturday.
I watched a movie night.
I studied English 2 hours.
Very good. Keep practicing daily.
Speaking improves with repetition.
Alex, what is perfect weekend?
Perfect weekend has learning and fun.
That sounds like a good balance.
Yes, one day productive activities.
And one day full relaxation.
That keeps energy strong.
What advice for listeners today?
Use weekend to grow little.
Not only sleep and scroll.
Learn one new small thing.
Read few pages English book.
Watch useful English conversation.
Or practice speaking with friend.
Small effort changes your future.
Remember, weekends build your habits.
And habits build your character.
Character builds your life direction.
So do not waste every weekend.
Enjoy it, but be mindful.
Yes, enjoy and improve together.
Thank you for staying with us.
We hope this episode helped you.
Share this podcast with friends.
And practice speaking every weekend.
Tell your weekend story confidently.
See you next episode. Goodbye, friends.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification